In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Rsvp form in WordPress. Whether you're organizing an event, a wedding, or maybe a business function, having a clear and user-friendly Rsvp form simplifies the process of collecting responses and managing attendees. This task might seem a bit daunting if you're unfamiliar with WordPress, but I assure you that following this step-by-step guide will equip you with everything you need to set up a professional-looking Rsvp form. Let's begin by ensuring your WordPress site is up and running. First, you want to log into your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is your control center, where all the magic begins. Once you're in, you need to install a plugin to help create the Rsvp form. Plugins are powerful tools, and WordPress has a plethora of them. For this tutorial, we will use the Contact Form 7 plugin, which is both user-friendly and versatile. Head over to the Plugins section on the left-hand side of your dashboard and click Add New. In the search bar, type Contact Form 7 and press Enter. Once you see it appear, click Install Now. After a brief wait, click Activate. You'll see the plugin now appear on your dashboard menu. Great, now that we have the tool, let's dive into setting up the form itself. Navigate to the Contact section in the menu and choose Add New. This is where we design the form. You'll see a default form already set up. We can customize this to fit our needs for an Rsvp form. You might want something simple, asking for the attendee's name, email, and the number of guests. So let's set that up. In the form editor, locate the field tags and start by adjusting the existing fields. You can change the labels to replace your name with attendee name and email with email address. You might want to add a field for the number of guests. To do this, click on Text from the menu of field types and generate a new field. Label this Number of Guests. Once you enter the needed configurations, hit Insert Tag to add it to the form code. The short code provided once you save this form is essential for placing it on your website. Copy this short code. Now, let's embed the form onto a page. Navigate to Pages, click on Add New, and create a new page for your Rsvp form. Let's call it Event Rsvp. Here, paste the short code into the editor. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish. Your Rsvp form is now live and ready for responses. Remember to test it yourself to make sure that everything works as expected. By receiving test emails, you ensure that all collected data reaches you seamlessly. You've now equipped your WordPress site with a powerful tool to streamline your event management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more insightful WordPress tips.